Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how you can measure your computer IQ. Let's see how can we do it. And remember that this topic is a scientific one because there is a paper on this topic. Okay, let's start. There is a test called Turing Test. It says that consider a room like this, for example, a room with 3 sections. And suppose that there is a judge here, a person here, and for example, in this room we have a computer, and in this room we have a human. So this is an AI computer, for example, and this is a human. And also, this is judge. According to Alan Turing Test, this guy, the judge, starts asking questions from these 2 rooms. For example, he asks the first question and take answers from both rooms. But at a specific time, let's call it, for example, T sub G, G stands for guess, this guy, the judge, can conclude that there is a computer in one room. How? For example, maybe he receives stupid answers from this room, and he can conclude that there is a computer in this room. And this time, T sub G is proportional to machine intelligence quotient, or machine IQ. So this is how we can measure machine intelligence quotient, or machine IQ, or computer IQ, let's say. And by the year 2000, this time was about 5 minutes. A computer cannot fool the judge more than 5 minutes. But now this time is about 20 to 30 minutes. I hope this video was helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified of every new video.